next drink will be, it's called Angie McLean 1917. This drink is a dedication to a lady. Starting off with Bombay Sapphire. Jägermeister. Insect. Pineapple juice. Raspberry jam. Egg white.
Can I try? Lovely flavor, typical subtle juniper. Sure, you've added some egg white, just to make it a little, yeah. Hold on to the mouth, nice. I think very refreshing, and I would say opens up our tongue to have some good food. Taking a little bit of raspberry jam.
All right.
And try to run out around in the martini glass.
Okay.
I hope it sticks that way. So what we have done is just layered the glass. I'm taking a little bit of your triple sec. Flavor. Add a little bit of pineapple juice. Take your Jägermeister,
Bombay Sapphire.
Bombay Sapphire gin. Give it a nice hard shake. Strain the cocktail out. And then probably we'll take the Jägermeister, just float it on top. We go in with your signature flour. Just to break the monotony, just add in a little bit of a taco there on the side. So we call it as high heels.
High heels.
I want you to taste it and tell me how it looks.
Same pungent feel.
Same pungent feel.
Yep.
Yummy. I think nachos never tasted better. Nice flavor of Jägermeister, and I'm sure the jam just comes across very true and I think very rich. Cheers.